I'm Teache Hanan from Writers at Work. Today, I would like to share with you how we can use similes to spruce up our writing. You just need to remember two things to help you identify similes. First, similes are a figure of speech that consists of words like or as. Second, similes are used to compare two things: people, places, and many more. Here, let me give you an example. Henry's bag is as light as a feather. This does not mean that Henry's bag actually has feathers in them. Instead, what it means is that his bag is so light that it is comparable to feathers. By comparing Henry's bag to feathers, it helps the readers to imagine just how light Henry's bag is. Here are 3 tips that you can use when writing similes in your compositions. Tip number 1. Making sure that similes make sense. When you come up with your own similes, you would want to make sure that the idea or object you are comparing your entity to makes sense. For instance, if you say, "The hair salon was as messy as my room," that would not make sense because no one knows how your room looks like. Therefore, there is no proper comparison here. Instead, you would want to use a simile, "The salon was as messy as a pigsty." It is a known fact that pigsties are messy. Thus, readers can then imagine just how messy the hair salon is. Tip number 2. Try avoiding cliches. There are some similes that may be overused, such as busy as a bee or as blind as a bat. Instead, try experimenting with your own words and opt for more creative options. Take for example, "His anger erupted as explosively as a fiery volcano." Tip number 3. Practice, practice, practice. With more practice, you will feel more confident including similes in your exams. Do try to use them whenever you are given the chance to. Remember, practice makes progress. If you want to learn more about our effective writing, check our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. This is Teache Hanan from Writers at Work. I hope these tips will help you in scoring full marks for your composition. All the best! Bye!